Jergens has been in Cleveland for a number of years. Cleveland was really born out of manufacturing. And if you go back into the 1940s, this is where Cleveland started and was built from. And today it's continued to grow. We've got every sort of area that manufacturer would need to help support them, whether it be materials we can find, whether it be outside processing we can find, for heat treatment, for passivation. We have a number of skilled labor in institutions and universities that can help build, whether it be Tri-C or whether you have local trade schools or universities. And I think we also have a community that wants to help each other. Have a business, have manufacturing, we're here to support you. We started in aerospace, manufacturing for aerospace, commercial, military, defense applications. One of the biggest growth areas we're seeing in the local market is space. Space is a huge opportunity for us to grow to now. We have worked with companies like Callis, we work with companies like Artemis. There are a number of different organizations that we're a part of. A good example, the National Toy Manufacturing Association, the NTMA. It started here in 1943. Jergens was part of the founding members that helped grow it and develop it as well too. So we're part of that group. We work together with them. We're always trying to figure out how to support each other. Cleveland State, Case Western Reserve, we have interns from both those schools in here working all the time. We also partner with them on programs where they have student projects that come in and work with us on as well too. Clevelanders want to help Clevelanders. We want to support each other, right? And as a result, they'll help us train on CNC programming, how to set a machine up, what to look out for, how to troubleshoot, how to read a blueprint, how basic shop math. All of these areas that are important for skilled trade people on our shop floor, they've come to our facility, work with us, and helping us develop our next generation talent. A company coming into Cleveland, I'm excited for that because that means me and opportunities to work with them, right? How do I network with them? What skills and talents do they bring? What resources do they bring to people? What opportunities can we partner with them on so we can work together so we can showcase Cleveland on a global scale? You can't beat us, so join us.